Thanks, bruh.
You're so funny.
I am pretty funny, aren't I? I've got something for you. Happy 6-month anniversary. Rachel,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm just sending this text message real quick.
You gotta stop doing that. Look, I just really want to have a nice night with you. A night where you're not on your phone.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now then, happy 6-month anniversary.
Seriously? I'd completely forgotten.
Figure. And what better way to have cookies than with the finest milk in the world? Hey, bartender, can we get 2 glasses over here? To us.
To us.
Now let us eat cookies the way they were supposed to be eaten. Excuse me, what's your name?
James,
Right. James, why did you eat my cookies?
I didn't eat your cookies.
There are crumbs all over your face. You ate my cookies.
No, I didn't.
You saw them, right, honey?
What?
Are you serious?
I didn't take them.
I know you did. Stop lying. I just want to know why you take your 5 cookie-stealing fingers over the counter and take my cookies.
Because I didn't.
I'm fine. I'm not going to let someone like you ruin my day. Now then, Rachel. Rachel,
Oh, sorry.
now let us dunk our cookies in the soft substance that is... You just drank my milk.
No, I didn't.
There's a milk stash as long as Florida on your face. No, stop. I saw it. Rachel saw it. You drank my milk.
No, I didn't.
Why don't you just admit that you took my cookies?
Is there a problem?
Yes, there is. Thank you. This man here is stealing my cookies.
Do you have any evidence?
It's all over his face. Oh, well, it was. He's wiping his face now.
That's not enough evidence to go on.
What? Look at the security footage.
I am the only camera.
What kind of bar doesn't have any cameras?
Calm down.
You calm down.
I'm pretty sure you left it in the car.
Listen, if it makes you feel any better, I didn't take them.
It's time to stop! All I want is one day. One day when you're not on your phone. One day where I can eat my cookies without having to worry about them being eaten by the bartender. Is that too much to ask? Now then, James, can I please have another glass of milk? Thank you. To today. Why are you doing this?
I'm not doing
You
anything.
can call me cop. Where's my phone? Rachel, why do you have my phone?
I had 2 things on the line.
Sir, I'm going to escort you out of here.
No, let me at him. I want him to cough up every single one of his cookies.
Thanks for the cookies. And, oh, I forgot to tell you, it's cool if we're just friends, right?
That'll be $42.